When you log into your account for the very first time, you will be taken to this screen, the first step in creating an event on PromoTix. You can navigate here at any time by clicking on this icon in the upper right and then clicking on Create Event. Start by adding a catchy title for your event and uploading at least one high-quality image. Here you can add a detailed description for your event. And here you can create tags for your event's co-producers, as well as list out any performers if applicable. Under Tag Visibility, add a few keywords that relate to your event. And then select your event type. On step 2, decide when and where your event will take place. You can create in-person events, virtual live-streamed events, or a combination of both. On step 3, this is where you create all of your ticket types and set your prices and quantities. Click on More for additional options and to add ticket descriptions. On this screen, you can choose to add a tax, a refund policy, and in here, provide a support email address. Note that your refund policy cannot be changed once your event is published. To get paid from ticket sales, click here to connect your Stripe account. If you don't have a Stripe account, that's fine. You can create one by filling out this form. If you already have a Stripe account, click the Sign In button in order to link it to your event. On step 4, you have the option to adjust the time limit to purchase, as well as the different types of information that you collect from your ticket buyers. Once you've previewed your event and everything looks good, click Publish. And voila, your event is now live. To share your published event, click on it from your My Event screen, click on View Event, and then click on the Share Event button.